everyone. Today we will be trying Love Crunch granola bars. We have dark chocolate macaroon, coconut macaroon, and we have dark chocolate and red berry. So I'm going to start with the dark chocolate and coconut macaroon. So here it is. Looks pretty good. It's alright. It's a little dry and a little bland, but there's a hint of coconut and there's a hint of chocolate. But it's pretty good. It's not bad. It's crunchy too, but not bad. I give it maybe like 7 out of 10, so good. Good. Alright, now we have a dark chocolate and red berries. Alright, here it is. So here it is. There's a little berry bits on it too. Let's try it. That's actually pretty good. So, it is a little dry, but chocolate goes real nice with the berries, which I believe are strawberries and raspberries. And they're really fruity and strong. It's really good. I give it like a 9.5 out of 10. That's very good. That'll be it for our granola bar tasting video. Thank you all for watching.